Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today I'm going to be installing some new hand grips on Gemini. These are the ones that I purchased. They are aluminum with nice comfortable rubber grips. And then I will be installing some highway pegs on the engine guard. So we're going to get that knocked out and hope you enjoy. Let's do it. And there we go. Down. All right, so if you notice, this has the palm assist or whatever you want to call it. I don't know that I want that there, but I'm going to try to reposition it. And if I still don't like it, I'm just going to go ahead and take it off. Okay, so we got the throttle grip put on. I did notice that when you release it, it doesn't snap back into place, you know, letting off on the throttle. I think it's because it's a little tight inside. I might maybe look at putting some lubricant in there or something. We'll see. But let's go ahead and put on the second one, and then we'll get to troubleshooting that first. All right, let's do it.
He's got a knife! He's got a knife!
There's no turning back, baby.
Now, when it comes to the foot pegs, believe me, I've had to try multiple variations to try to get it to where it was comfortable for me. I've almost nailed it exactly where I need it. So we're going to go ahead and maneuver it just a little bit more, and then we're going to put the other one on. I think we got it. Time to do the other side. From up there, how the pedals look. They look even?
Yeah, they look pretty even, yep.
They do? Man, see, I knew you were the man for the job. Okay. Put all these down. I think we're done, homie.
Look good. They look good.
Got to put the new grips on today. And the new highway
I
pegs.
was gonna say, I like the grips. They're very comfortable.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Well, appreciate your help, man. We got the new hand grips on, as you can see. And we have the new highway pegs on, as you can see. That's all she wrote. Well, we got it done. It was a little bit harder than I thought. And it's probably just because I don't know what I'm doing, but you know, hey, I figured it out. Probably took 4 times longer than it would if somebody did it who knew what they were doing. But got the new handlebar or handle grips on, and the new highway pegs, and it's gonna make those long rides a little more comfortable. I can stretch my legs out a little bit. So yeah, so that's it for this video. In the next one, there's only 2 more things I need to add to Gemini, and it's done. And that is I bought a stereo system for it, Bluetooth stereo system, so I need to install that. And I got a light kit for him, where the engine will light up, the wheels will light up, all that stuff, so I need to get that installed. That's the last 2 things, and those are pretty much just because I want to. So anyway, yeah, so Gemini's all done. I've been looking at the tires lately. I do think I will need to get new tires within the next month or 2. But, you know, I'll have somebody else put those on. An actual professional put those on. So, but anyway, that's all for this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and I will see you in the next one.